Hello and welcome to another segment of Top Apps. Zach here, and something that's quite ubiquitous throughout industry and studying and all of that is a way of generating ideas and sort of sorting out all the creative stuff you have, and it's called mind maps. So mind maps is something that we're all familiar with. You draw a bunch of circles, connect the dots, and it's a way of sort of expanding your ideas and keeping track of everything. But in today's world, doing a mind map on a piece of paper or mahjong paper is a little troublesome, and also just in general, not many of us really carry around a pen anymore. So let's check out the app and see what this mind map has in store. This app is called Mindly. Well, it's all about creating mind maps, and it's relatively straightforward, but there's a few cool features to this. So as you can see, when you launch up the app, it's gonna have a way to create new mind map. There is an upgrade where you do have to pay for a full version, but the free version is pretty much significant by itself. Creating a mind map, quite easy. You press the plus button and you'll create a new mind map, and you can name it whatever you like. And I'm gonna go into my mind map here, and it's just the concept of these mind maps is sort of the idea of cosmic sort of design philosophy behind it. And when you click on them, even if you have a lot of stuff in a subcategory, so here's like a subcategory of my mind map. If you have a lot of stuff, you can again rotate through all of those, and you can nest child and the child and the child, and just keep opening up more and more and adding more layers to your mind map. So there's a lot of stuff here. You can also add in pictures, so you can have various pictures on your mind map, which is very good. You can also add in links, just customizing the icons. You can of course name them, you can adjust their color, and there's a very cool feature when you define a child theme. So when you select a color, it will automatically select colors which will match the main color. So the sub-circles will then have a nice color theme to them. When it comes to the mind map itself, the big point of it is the sharing feature. Now the sharing feature allows you to share the Mindly sort of mind map with other Mindly users, but you can also export it as a PDF. Now this is of course going to be much more useful. So once you create the mind map, you can export a PDF and then you can email it or share it straight to one of your colleagues or friends or classmates or whoever you're working with, and you can show your mind map or even send it off to your lecturer. And just in general, for a mind map app, this is pretty optimal and it's really nice, and just in general it works perfectly on a small screen, and so you can bring it around with you, you can open it up anytime, it works offline, and you can even sync it to your Dropbox if you want to work online, and you can keep it stored on your Dropbox, making it easier to share and all of that. So overall, it's a fantastic mind map app.